Good morning, students. In previous video, we have seen the reason of urbanizations. Okay, all of you knows due to the urbanizations, the population of urban area is increasing day by day, and the population of rural area is decreasing day by day. Because in large scale, okay, many people are migrating toward urban area in search of job. That's why they increase the population of urban area and they create tensions on the central government as well as state government. Okay, today we will see the effect of what is the effect of urbanizations. Because of the urbanization, characteristics of region change largely. Means they change the characteristics of that particular regions. Means when the population increase, everyone want to build their home. That's why they purchase a land. Means nowadays those land was under agriculture. Nowadays that land is under residence and industry area. That's why the percentage of agricultural land is decreasing. Means जिस एरिया में क्योंकि जिस खेती में हम मतलब चावल वगैरह की खेती करते थे, अभी वो ज़मीन किसके अंडर में आ गई है? घर बनाने के और इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया के लिए. That's why they change the characteristics of that region. The land under agriculture is low under industries or residential use, while there are many advantages of urbanizations. Okay, means you can say that the land is very low in agriculture and large scale in resident and industrial area. Okay, now we will see the advantage. What is the advantage of urbanizations? Dear students, page number 77. First advantage of urbanization is social harmony. There is an increase in secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupation with urbanization. Primary occupations. Okay, primary occupations is in rural area. All of you knows primary occupation provide us raw material for industries, for companies. But in urban area there is a secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupations with urbanizations. Hence economic activities increase. That's why economic activities increase. They increase the economic activities. Okay, this area grow rapidly. Means due to the migrations, the area grows rapidly every day. Cultural and social customs and traditions are exchanged as people from different parts live together in the cities. Because that cities, that particular regions from the different part of the India or different part of the cities, okay, they settle there. Okay, their customs, their caste, their religions is different. But when they comes together, they share their festival. Okay, they wishes to everyone their festivals. Okay, their traditions, their customs, means they create a social harmony among the people. That is main advantage. This create a social harmony. वो क्या create करता है? Social harmony. Okay, means they work there. They work different type of work. Some people works in bank. Okay, or you can say school, college, university. Okay, or different work they are working. Okay, busy. Okay, and they belong to a different part of the India. But they when they comes together, when they live in one colony, okay, they share their each and every customs, religions. Okay, that's why they create a social harmony. Second advantage is modernizations. In cities, people from different area migrate. जैसे कि हमने पहले देखा है Okay, many people are migrating toward urban area from the different part of the cities. Their wisdom, their skill and knowledge is exchange easily. Their skill, their knowledge, okay, their wisdoms, they exchange easily. For example, in one you can say flat, okay, there are living two families. One family is working in college and one family is working in industry. Okay, that's why their skill, their knowledge is different, but when they comes together, they exchange, okay, their wisdom, their skill. These areas are the first to get advantage of update knowledge and literature. So they get everyday update knowledge and literature, okay, and they share their knowledge to others, their neighbors. You can see new project related to industries and business. Okay, nowadays many people are, you can say, educated, well qualified. They are making different type of project. Okay, they are doing different businesses. Okay, and first of all I told you, okay, they share their knowledge, wisdoms, okay, and skill to each others. That's why coming up there. So urban settlement get an advantage of new ideas, update technologies and technological facilities. Means अलग अलग नॉलेज की, ओके, अलग अलग डिग्री लेते हुए, ओके, लोग जब शहर में आते हैं, ओके, तो गवर्नमेंट और दैट पर्टिकुलर अर्बन एरिया they get the advantage of you can say educated people, okay, because their ideas, their knowledge, their technology is very different, okay, that's why government, okay, give them, you can say, different type of facilities. Therefore, as a result, the standard of living improves. That's why according to their knowledge, according to their skill, wisdoms, okay, their technology, their, you can say, ideas, okay, they gradually increase their living up standard. Okay, next point we will see amenities and facilities. Various amenities and facilities develop urban area because of the urbanization. So for that people, government are providing different type of facilities or amenities. Transportations, communications, educational and medical facilities, fire brigade are very important. Okay, all these type of facilities government are providing them, okay, very fastly, because these are the main facility: transport, communications, educations, medical facility, fire brigade, okay, all these are very important. And urban area, okay, urban area are providing this type of facilities. Because of the good transportational facilities, journey become easier. Okay, due to the, you can say, best transport or good transport facilities, journey become very easier. Its positive effect is also seen in freight transport and market trades. So it also increase the facility of freight transport. So okay, due to the urban area, many means unemployed people, they get a job. Which job? Freight transport. Okay, जैसे taxi, okay, tempo, okay, in this way. And market trades means through the urban area, okay, through the urban area, many people get job. We see that even educational facilities develop well in urban area. Many students come to urban areas especially to access the service of higher educations like Pune city. So through the urban area or due to the urban area, okay, many students, they get higher educations, because all of you know in urban area there are so many facilities, so many services are available in urban area. That's why from the rural area, okay, every day many students are coming to get a higher educations. For example, Pune city, Mumbai, Nagpur, okay, they migrate there for the educations. मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ आर आल्सो वेरी डेवलप्ड इन अर्बन एरिया. और उसके अलावा मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ ओके देयर आर, वी कैन से अवेलेबल. टू अवेल दीज फैसिलिटीज़ मेनी पेशेंट्स एंड देयर फैमिली मेम्बर्स कम फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट पार्ट एंड स्टे फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड. सो टू रिकवर their diseases from the different part of India or the different part of the city. Okay, they migrate to urban area for a short period for the because there is a medical facility. Okay, and for the medical facilities, okay, every year also many migrant, okay, are settled there for a short period. Okay, after the, you can say, cure their patients, okay, then they return their native place. In this way, these are the, you can say there are many facilities and amenities are in urban area, and due to this all the facilities, nowadays everyone is ready to migrate in urban area. Okay, but now what is happening? The land use, okay, the land use of agriculture is decreased, and the land use of residents and companies are increasing. Okay, so next video, dear students, we will see which type of problems are created in urban area, the problems of urbanizations. Tomorrow we will see. Thank you.